Did you see Indiana Jones 5? Okay. You did? Oh, we are normal people in every day. The moment it's a shitty movie, but for some reasons I found for me, it's a very desperate movie. It's clear that Indiana Jones' desire is Archimedes. I want to remain there. And that beat punches him go back. And it's a very desperate ending. Her function of Phoebe, that actress, is not erotic. It's just to bring the couple back together. And you know how they are. Two desperate old men embracing and so on. Can you even compare this with being in Syracuse at that point and so on? This I find much more productive. The conclusion is not, but this is the real world or whatever.
So I could not possibly agree more.
I don't like the movie, but I find now, you know what attracted me to Indiana Jones 5? That it was so universally attacked as total bullshit or whatever. It automatically evokes my sympathy, no?
Well, there's a fundamental conservative teleological aspect to this way of thinking, that our timeline, our universe is the right one, and we should be in it, and we cannot possibly think about improving it by changing the past or anything like that. I think that the filmmakers missed a chance. They should have left Indy, spoiler alert, back there with Archimedes. He would have been happier. He's getting old anyway. They went for a sappy, lowbrow ending.
No, but so at least we can conclude in this way then that in spite of all, from my side, unresolved tensions and so on, you put it wonderfully now. The big lesson of, also in many words, of quantum physics is always bear in mind that this is not the only possible world. Don't put this universe as a major, or as you put it nicely, in this teleological sense, like that's what again bothered me in Everything Everywhere. As if the reality is here in that tax office, even with Jamie Lee Curtis playing, and all these trips forth and back is just so that you return more satisfied, happy to this world. I would opt for a much more desperate solution that actors would have traveled in different worlds who are many much better than totally desperate. She ends up here with the awareness of what would have been,
I didn't see the script for that before it was made, but I did consult on the Avengers movies with Thanos destroying the world, and then they went back in time to fix it, etc. And I argued that if you go back in time and fix it, they had this multiple timeline thing, and I don't want you to eliminate a timeline. I think that's terrible. But so I said, what you should do is allow the timelines to rejoin each other so that individuals have memories of both in their future selves. But they didn't go for that. It was too complicated.